Alright guys, so every single day I've been looking at the Kaspa chart and I just realized that, Kaspa might actually go down to 5 cents. Okay, and in today's video guys, I want to explain why I truly do believe that, there is potential that we do see Kaspa going down to at least 5 cents. Okay, and I'm not saying this guys to be bearish or anything like that. As you guys know, I am very, very bullish for Kaspa. I am simply buying Kaspa and just holding it for long term, just like what I'm doing with Bitcoin, right? I have the same mindset for Kaspa. I'm just simply buying DCA into Kaspa and I'm just simply holding it for long term because I truly do believe Kaspa is a long term play, right? So I don't think Kaspa is a short term play. I do believe Kaspa is a great long term investment, just like Bitcoin. So understand, guys, what I'm about to say for today's video, me saying, Kaspa is going to be reaching 5 cents. Okay, I'm not saying this to be bearish. Okay, I just want to clear the air, right? I'm not being bearish, guys, but I just want to tell you guys the truth, right? I want to be transparent with you guys because at this point, okay, since we know Kaspa, okay, over a week ago did break support of 10 cents, as we know, and Kaspa right now for the past few days, okay, we haven't seen a recovery. Like it did go back up to 11 cents, but it's dropped back down below 10 cents. And we know 10 cents was a very, very strong support level. And clearly for the past few days, Kaspa has been, below 5 cents, right? So as I told you guys many times, while Kaspa is below, 10 cents, okay, it's currently at 8 cents right now. This is truly a great opportunity right now to buy as much Kaspa as you possibly can, right? It really, really is. Like this is truly a once in a lifetime golden opportunity to buy Kaspa because Kaspa right now is super, super undervalued. Like I told you guys, when Kaspa was above 10 cents, when it was at 13 cents, 15 cents, 18 cents, I told you guys, Kaspa was super undervalued. But imagine what I think now since Kaspa has broke the support and it's below 10 cents. It's super, super, super undervalued right now. So this is truly a, golden opportunity right now to buy as much Kaspa as you possibly can. Okay. And if we do see Kaspa dropping to 5 cents, I'm buying. I don't know about you guys, okay? But for me personally, I'm gonna buy some Kaspa, okay? When it does, reach 5 cents, okay? Because this could potentially happen. So I want to show you guys some charts today indicating and showing us that, yes, Kaspa, there is potential that it can drop to 5 cents, okay? It is very, very possible. So I want to explain why, okay? And there is in fact a fair few charts, like I said, that I do want to show you guys. So before I show you guys these charts, I do, of course, want to, give you guys a quick little update on Kaspa, even though Kaspa right now is still not really moving. So Kaspa right now, exactly like where it was yesterday. Okay, we're not seeing huge moves right now for Kaspa, but it's currently at 8 cents. So yeah, you guys can clearly see we're currently at the 4-hour time frame, and yeah, Kaspa has not been moving. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, you guys can clearly see Kaspa has been pretty much consolidating at this level, right? So we saw Kaspa dropping to as low as 7 cents, okay, and it bounced back up, right? And it did, like I said, reach back up to 10 cents and it went as high as 11 cents. And then it did drop back down to 10 cents and it broke support once again. And yeah, this is where we are right now currently for Kaspa, right? You guys can clearly see that. So Kaspa is still below, 10 cents. It's been like this for the past few days. So this is truly still a great time right now to buy some Kaspa. And if we go to the weekly time frame, you guys can clearly see, yeah, Kaspa obviously did break support. Okay, you guys can clearly see that with this candle, right? So understand, since Kaspa did break support, guys, there is potential that it can go much lower. Okay, much lower. And I do believe there is potential that Kaspa can go as low as something like 5 cents. I think that is very possible. Like where it was, when was the last time we saw Kaspa at 5 cents? The last time we seen Kaspa at 5 cents was around 30th of October. So October 2023, that was pretty much the last time that we have seen Kaspa at 5 cents. Okay, so it's been a while, it's been over a year, but yeah, I do believe Kaspa, there is potential that it can go back down below 5 cents. And I told you guys, I'm not spreading FUD or anything like that. I'm just telling you guys the truth. Sometimes these things can happen, okay? Like no one, for example, expected Kaspa to break support right over here. Personally, me, I didn't expect that, and it did happen. And at this point, anything can happen. Since it broke support, I think Kaspa can go much lower to like 5 cents, okay? It is very possible. So yeah, there is in fact a fair few charts that I do want to show you guys. But yeah, Kaspa today is down over 2%, so it's dropping slightly even more compared to, where it was yesterday. And the volume today, nothing too crazy. Okay, $55 million. Okay, today, and the market cap for Kaspa, still holding up pretty well above 2.2 billion. Hash rate sitting at 1.38 exahash, and the next reduction is going to happen in the next 23 days. And the next reward, as we all know, is 62 Kaspa. Okay, now before I show you guys these charts, I want to show you guys this, because smart contracts is coming, guys. Okay, smart contracts is coming. Okay, you guys clearly see. Okay, it's testing completed smart contracts implementation, right? So I noticed Kaspa team is working on smart contracts now. A couple of days ago, it was just showing planning. Interesting how far we are to final stage of the smart contracts. So guys, smart contracts, as I've been telling guys many times, okay, it's coming for Kaspa. So Kaspa holders, this is going to be very, very exciting. Okay, so get ready for that, because smart contracts is coming. So Kaspa holders, be ready for that. Now let's get into these charts, guys, starting off with this one. And this one's actually pretty interesting, right? And it says here, not sure what Kaspa holders are worried about. Okay, same. Okay, I don't know why a lot of people are worried right now for Kaspa, but also says here we're 8 touches in on a bullish trend line. The drop to 7 cents was a perfect confirmation of that. This is bullish as fuck. Sorry for cussing, and let's go. So yeah, I 100% do agree, guys, that we're gonna see Kaspa, having its days, right? But understand, no one expected Kaspa to drop, below 10 cents, breaking the support, but it did. And yeah, since it did break support, there is potential that we do see Kaspa going much, much lower. But overall, guys, this is a bullish chart. As I told you guys, I already made a video couple of days ago talking about this, that Kaspa, okay, the chart right now, it's super bullish, right? It really, really is. Okay, this is not bearish at all. But yeah, understand, okay, there is potential that Kaspa can drop to 5 cents. So it says here, and this is actually pretty interesting, it says, if Kaspa gets rejected here and don't reclaim 9 cents error as soon as possible as support again, like as today, most likely we will see Kaspa at 5 cents range. Okay, sometimes we need to look at chart from similar perspective. With that, lots of lines, tools, levels, etc. We can see things clearer. I'm Kaspa Maxi, and I'm bullish on Kaspa overall, but also we need to be realistic and look what is in front of us. You can hate me or not, but this is the truth, okay? If managed to reclaim 9 cents, that's great. If not, that is fine too. Would love to buy as much as I can at lower levels. Also have a feeling this isn't max pain. Would love to be wrong though, and I agree with him, okay? If Kaspa, okay, does drop to these levels of 7 cents again, okay, 6 cents, 5 cents, okay, maybe even lower than 5 cents, who knows, okay? But guys, understand, when Kaspa does drop back down to these lower price targets, I don't know about you guys, listen, okay, I don't want you guys to be panicking, okay? If we do, like, this can happen, by the way, if we actually do see Kaspa dropping down to lower levels, back down to 7 cents, 6 cents, and 5 cents, I just want to be clear. I want to clear the air. Don't panic. Okay, Kaspa holders, if you truly understand where Kaspa's heading long term, you won't panic. You would not be panicking. Okay, remember, guys, have diamond hands, right? I feel like a lot of people that are losing faith for Kaspa, they don't understand the technology behind Kaspa. They don't know what a block DAG is or anything like that. Right, Kaspa's still developing. Kaspa's still, in the early stages, like, Bitcoin, where it was back 2015, 2013. That's why I see Kaspa right now. So I feel like a lot of people that are very bearish for Kaspa, I want you guys to understand, do not be bearish. Okay, do not be bearish. Do not be bearish. Do not panic or anything like that. Understand, we are here for long term. Kaspa is a great long term investment, just like Bitcoin. Okay, everyone that is buying into Bitcoin, they're having, a long term play for it. Okay, because yes, it is a great long term investment. It has store value. It's a hedge against inflation, and it's the same thing with Kaspa, right? Kaspa is a great long term investment. So have that same mindset with Bitcoin and Kaspa, right? It's a long term play. Both of these assets are great long term investments. Okay, so if Kaspa does drop to 5 cents, I want you guys to understand to not panic. Okay, in fact, instead of panicking and being worried, right, buy more. Okay, take this as a huge opportunity to buy more, guys, at 5 cents. Like, honestly, guys, if I see Kaspa dropping to 5 cents, I'm gonna buy. Like, I am literally probably gonna sell some of my other crypto assets like Solana, Ethereum, right, and buy some Casper when it's at 5 cents. I don't know about you guys, but that's my plan, right? I'm gonna buy and accumulate as much Casper as I possibly can at 5 cents because I've been waiting for moments like this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've been waiting for moments like this when we do see Casper dropping back down below these price targets, right? So if I do see Casper dropping lower compared to where it is now, I'm buying. I don't know about you guys, but personally, I'm gonna be buying and I'm gonna be more bullish. Like, generally, I'm gonna be more bullish, guys, okay? Because I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna take that as a huge blessing to buy more. As you guys know, a couple of weeks ago, I sold my Cardano, all of my Cardano, to buy more Casper. Okay, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing if we do see Kaspa dropping to back down to like 6 cents, 5 cents, especially 5 cents. I'm gonna sell some of my Ethereum and Solana because I do have a pretty decent amount of bags of Solana and Ethereum, right? And I'm gonna sell some of those and buy more Kaspa, right? So that is my plan, guys. I don't know about you guys, but if I do see Kaspa dropping back down to 5 cents, I'm buying. I'm a buyer, and I hope you guys will buy again. Okay, so don't panic, guys, okay? Remember, Kaspa is a long-term play. So, yes, okay, also this chart as well, just clearly showing you guys that there is potential. Okay, since Kaspa did break this support of 10 cents, yes, it's going to be dropping to 6 cents and 5 cents. I don't know about 3 cents to 2 cents. I really do not know about that. Okay, I highly doubt it, but, anything at this point can happen. I mean, if Kaspa does drop to like 3 to 2 cents, that'll be insane, and I'm gonna buy more, of course, right? If Kaspa drops more, I'm buying more. Okay, it's that simple, guys. Okay, so just DCA into Kaspa, guys. It's that simple. DCA and hold your positions. That's all you gotta do. Okay, if you simply want to build generational wealth, that's all you gotta do. Remember, have that same mindset with Bitcoin. Buying and holding in Bitcoin, same thing with Kaspa. Remember that, guys. Okay, remember that. Okay, Kaspa holders. So that is that, guys. And remember, this is not financial advice, so please always do your own research. But yes, no matter what happens, guys, okay, if Kaspa does drop back down to 6 cents, 5 cents, okay, maybe even lower than that, it's gonna bounce back up no matter what happens. Okay, Kaspa is going to be bouncing back up, guys. Okay, so it's gonna look something similar like this. And yes, okay, it's gonna happen. As I told you guys many times, okay, this is going to be Kaspa's first ever bull run, and I do believe since this is going to be Kaspa's first ever bull run, I do believe Kaspa is going to have a pretty decent bull cycle, right, this year in 2025. And it's going to be its first ever one. So I think Kaspa is for sure going to be reaching new highs, 100%. So understand, guys, even if we see Kaspa dropping to, 6 cents levels, 5 cents levels, and maybe even lower than that, understand it's not forever. Kaspa will bounce back up. And that's why I told you guys, it truly is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Kaspa, when it does drop back down to 5 cents, it may not stay down to 5 cents for that long. Okay, probably it won't, right? So when we do see Kaspa at 5 cents, guys, promise me to buy some. Okay, and that's not financial advice. Do whatever you guys want. Okay, but that is that. But yeah, it's gonna look something like this. I feel like this is more something realistic what Kaspa is going to be doing. So it says here Kaspa is in the same correction like most of the crypto projects currently. Strong, okay, support around 10 cents is broken, and we could see levels around 5 cents again, which is going to be the next support, and that can happen, right? 5 cents can potentially be, the next support. Myself placed some buy orders in the blue support box. You never know, okay, and would be happy catching some Kaspa around 5 cents. Long term, nothing changed for me. Let the paper hands out and then full send. And I 100% do agree. So I like this chart because it has a pretty, similar prediction to what I'm thinking here. So as I told you guys, yes, I do believe Kaspa is going to be dropping to, the 5 cent levels, okay? And then it's going to, probably, consolidate here for a little bit, okay? Who knows for how long, but it won't be too long. And then it's going to slowly bounce back up. And then from there on, it's just going to bounce back up above 10 cents. And then, of course, it's going to go much, much higher, right? So what this chart is, in fact, showing us here, I think Kaspa would pretty much do something similar like this. What this chart is, in fact, showing us here, right? So it's amazing. Okay, so Understand, yes, if we do see Kaspa dropping to 5 cents, understand guys, it won't stay down there for too long. Okay, personally, I don't think it will stay down there for too long. I think once it reaches a bottom, okay, and who knows where the bottom is, maybe it's 5 cents or lower, who knows, right? But when it does reaches a bottom, it's gonna have a rebound, okay, and then it's gonna pretty much you know, bounce back up, right? So understand, guys, when Kaspa does drop back down to lower levels, please buy some, okay? Catch some Kaspa when it's at 5 cents. Catch some Kaspa when it's maybe lower than 5 cents. Who knows, right? Where the bottom will be, but that is that, guys, okay? So again, okay, I'm not saying this, guys. I'm not making this video to be bearish or anything like that. As you guys know, I am very, very bullish for Kaspa, but I just want to tell you guys the truth, okay? And it seems like I am not the only one that is predicting that we could potentially, see Kaspa dropping down to 5 cents. I mean, a lot of people out there in the Kaspa community believe, okay, when you look at the Kaspa chart, since it broke support at 10 cents, it is very, very possible that we do see Kaspa dropping much lower, and it could be 5 cents. Okay, so that is that, guys. So Kaspa holders, do not panic. Okay, when we do see a drop back down to 5 cents, understand, okay, Kaspa is a long-term play. If we do see Kaspa at 5 cents, be more, okay, bullish. Take it as a blessing and golden opportunity, right, to buy more Kaspa, to accumulate more, right? And yeah, that's that, right? Just buy and hold. It's that simple, guys. Okay, remember, not financial advice. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. I appreciate all you guys for the support recently. It's been absolutely amazing. But yeah, I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.